This is the league of the world's most elite liquids, substances of myth and medicine, harvested from the planet's most dangerous creatures. Used to cure brain cancer and stop plagues. Their price is a reflection of their power and their rarity. But there's another liquid that ranks among them, one that isn't harvested from a venomous stinger, one that doesn't save a single life. In fact, you probably have it on your desk right now. Black printer ink, at up to $12,000 a gallon. No, it's not more expensive than gold, but the question is, why is this even in the conversation? This isn't an accident. It's the final move in a trap, because the printer was never the product. It was the cage. Everyone calls this the razor and blades model, but they get the story wrong. King Gillette sold his razors as a premium product. It was only after his patents expired, when competitors flooded the market, that he slashed prices to lock customers into his blades. The lesson is crucial. This isn't just about selling a cheap product. It's about establishing a monopoly first, and then executing the trap. And the modern printer giants learned that lesson perfectly. The proof is in their own financial reports. While printers are sold for a low margin, majority of their profits are driven by the sale of ink and toner. The profit isn't in the machine, it's in the monopoly. And they enforce that monopoly with an arsenal of digital weapons. Weapon 1, the DRM chip, a digital passport. They call it quality control, but we know that's a lie, because of the Canon confession. During the chip shortage, Canon themselves admitted it has no negative effects on print quality. The lock was never about quality, it was always about control. Weapon 2, the firmware hit job, a remotely triggered kill switch, an update that makes a perfectly good cartridge worthless overnight. And Weapon 3, the empty deception. The chip doesn't measure ink, it counts pages. The rest is wasted by design, into an internal waste pad that technicians literally call the spittoon. But this is where the story turns. The resistance is real. The Supreme Court has already ruled that refilling cartridges is legal. The cartel lost in the courthouse, so they moved the war to the codebase. And this isn't just about ink. It is a key battle in the global war for the right to repair. It's about a simple question. Do you truly own the things you buy? The cartel's model only works if we play their game. So here's how you win. The power is shifting from the low upfront price to the total cost of ownership. If you print a lot, buy an ink tank printer. If you only print occasionally, get a laser printer. And if you're stuck with a cartridge printer now, go into the settings and disable automatic firmware updates today. They built a cage, but now you have the key. These are the systems hidden in plain sight. If you want the playbook to understand how the world really works, subscribe to the zine.